Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi TT Coup Sport 45 TFSI. It comes dressed in the eye-catching Ibis White, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done just over 9,975 miles. To the side of the car's profile, standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with a 5 twin spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin you have the flat bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery with a centre armrest. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device, and going into the multimedia display, Audi smartphone to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port, telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go, media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio to choose from your favourite DAB radio stations, and car that brings you back to the main menu. Not forgetting the heated seats for those chillier mornings. And to the centre of the car's dash, the climate control system so both driver and passengers can set the preferred temperature for the cabin. Below, you have 2 USB charging points, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile with the MMI multimedia display control pad. This approved used Audi TT Coup is now available and on site. For more information, please contact our sales team who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.